Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Stability AI login problems, account and billing errors step by step clearly. To fix Stability AI login problems, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong mobile data signal. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve many login issues related to stored data. If you are using a password manager, try entering your password manually instead of using the autofill feature. Then, double-check your username and password for any typos or errors. If you're still having trouble, use the Forgot Password feature to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Once your password is reset, attempt to log in again with the new credentials. If you encounter an account-related error, make sure your account is still active and hasn't been suspended. For billing errors, check your payment information to ensure it is current and correct. Make sure that your payment method has sufficient funds or credit available. If you've recently changed billing details, update these in your account settings on the Stability AI website. If the issue persists, clear your browser history or try a different browser entirely. You can also attempt to log in from another device, such as a mobile phone or tablet. In cases where your account appears locked, contact Stability AI support directly for assistance. Provide them with your account details and a description of the problem. They will guide you through the necessary steps to recover access. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or updates from support. Once resolved, ensure to log in and check your billing information periodically to avoid future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.